Alright guys, today we will be checking out the new moon update. Let's go. First what we need, we'll get a bag. We'll get a pickaxe. We'll get a light. And let's get a grappler. Let's go! And my immediate assume, I bet it's his ladder. Oh, wait, can you just like climb up the ladder? Like, oh, you can. And what the fuck? Alright, we're going in the rocket. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, what the? Whoa! I think we crashed. Oh my gosh, we crashed. Whoa! Would you look at this? We have cars now. Don't mind if I do. It seems like we don't really need this, so. Oh no, oh no. Get in. Oh. Okay. Whoa! Yeah! Oh heck. Oh no. Shit! Let's go! Whoa! Oh my god! Oh no! Backflip. We're going off the ramp. Backflip. Oh! 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 Boom! Oh, we're going on a loopy-loop. Oh. Here we go. Loopy-loop. Loop-loop, here we come. Oh my god! Oh. Alright, let's try that again. Let's try that one more time. What the? Loop-de-loop. Here I go! Oh no. Come on, man. Let's go up the wall. Do a whole 360. Wait. No! 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 Let's go! Oh. And it looks like we have something here. Oh, it's low gravity. Oh. It's the moon shooting. Here, one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Thank you. Okay. Let's see if we can do a back. See if we can do a backflip. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We just hit a backflip. Wait, what else can we do? Hold up. Let me just get on up. Yeah, enough. 360. Oh my gosh! Ah, the wall! Let's retry that. Oh no, this is not big enough. We need to hit a ramp. Okay, let's redo that. Here we go. 360. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! On the wall. Whoa. Front flip. Oh my gosh. Bro, this is like the funnest update ever. Here we go. Oh shit! Side. Well, this is way better than like big scary cars. in a circle. Bro, you know what they should add? They should add like dirt bikes and 4-wheelers and helicopters, planes. You know what I'm saying? Nah, but they should really have like a motorcycle. That would be awesome. We're driving on the wall. One hand! One hand! Oh! Wait, I wasn't even doing one hand. Oh, shoot. Up the rocket. Okay. Front flip. Oh my gosh, how many front flips can we do in a row? Okay, we need to get higher for that. Let's go. Here we go. 2, 3, 4. We did 5 backflips. I think we can do more. How many backflips can we do? I mean, what? How many backflips can we do now? Let's go. Okay, here we go. How many backflips can we possibly do? Okay, that was not a high enough jump. Let's go up here. 1, 2, 3. What the? No, I did it too fast. Let's try that one more time. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We did 4 backflips. 4 whole backflips. Bro, this is just so fun. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what I just did. Whoa. You know what? I'm doing this one-handed. Here we go. I want to do a one-handed backflip. Here we go. This is not it. This is not it. Hold on, hold on. One hand. Backflip. Oh, we can't do a backflip. Oh, shoot. Oh! So the right hand is how you drive, and on the side. And I wonder if we can get out. Like, let's take the grappler. Hands up on the wall. Here we go. Can we escape space? Oh. Oh. Kinda. Wait, what is that? Seems like we have some secrets here. And what is this? Oh! Oh! Yeah, yeah, get the shit. Sorry. Listen, I'm sorry. AC. Let's take this back. See what else there is. Bro, this sounds like a It sounds like a Roblox Tycoon game. Alright. So, there's one way how to get back. That's through. Alright, where are we? We're stuck. Let's take this with me. Here we go. Bro, I already know people want to make a bunch of rare stuff out of this. Alright, let's. What the? Oh. So it seems like you now enter office through here. Wait, then what's over? What the? What the? What happened to office? Whoa, it's like not just a whole minefield instead of just a lobby. Oh shoot. Alright, let's check what. Oh my gosh! Is that the new super rare new item, new boombox, and a new space map? Let's get it! Yeah, that did not work. Okay, let's check out what else we have. Let's get the grappler. Okay, let's get a bat this time. Check out what else is here. So up here we have some posters, and seems like that might be all. So yeah. Oh, any new thing? Oh my god. Oh my giggly god. It's beautiful. It's freaking beautiful. Give me a kiss. We still got Timmy over here. He's Era Margina. Alright guys. That seems to be it for today's video. It's really fun, you should try it. But oh my god! Alright, anyway. Thanks for watching. And